Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Deep within,
The
here
first
we go.
5 people
Somehow
to
I'm caught
comment
in the
will
middle.
receive a free gift.
Is this
The
the
winners
end
will be
before
named
we've
in the next
even
video.
begun?
So let's get started.
Should I work against the flow?
So first I'm using all hair
so endless,
brushes
reaching for
and select my hair colors.
above, I
You
just
select your according favorite hair color. I'm using a reddish brown color and make a hair parts. Okay. And now I'm going to our lighten color, lighten red color, and I'm using orange color in middle center position. And add to use with same brush I'm using our whiten color below. And now I'm using this portion, this part I'm using white colors,
catch a glimpse of what
this
was you
portion.
and me.
And now my lighting, my color portion is ready. And now I'm going to blend this with this all hair. You can see this process. So I'll make a thin brush, and now I'm going to apply this process, and now make my hair look like a shiny hair.
Still mine.
I'm going to eraser and I'll erase my extends hair colors, other sides and left side and right side. And now set. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Bye bye and take care.